Okay, what are we doing now?
I know right where it is.
Where's all the clutches?
In there.
They're all in there? You already did it? What kind of clutch is it?
7 steels and 6 fiber.
Ooh, those look like Kevlars.
A barnet.
Those might not be original.
No.
They're brand new too.
Brand new.
Why are they all wiggly?
I put them in Tribodyne.
Just soak them?
Not very long.
Pre-soak them?
Not very long. It says good for a minute to 3 minutes.
You know, I don't soak plates. I just put them in and go run the
Wipe
piss
them
out
off.
of them. Alright, where's your clutch?
I got that right there, and I got this part, and I got the bolts. I just don't have the springs. I need these springs.
Go in there somehow? There it goes.
I can go get it.
It goes there.
I know, right where it
Where's the
says.
center part?
Right here, I need to break it loose too.
Alright.
Did I put this thing in there too?
What thing? What's that washer over there?
This one?
Yeah.
That's not the 50 thou one.
That's that thick one. We don't use that no more. What's this?
Goes in the clutch
I
rod.
bet you that's supposed to be inside the vehicle.
Right where the rod that goes in.
Right in there? You like right in that spot, right in that hole?
Yep.
Look at that lever. Pull that lever up there. You moving it?
No.
Did you move anything?
I pulled it in.
There it goes. I felt it. Do it again. Yep, see my thumb moved. Barely. Okay, that means all the push rods are in there. What's all these bolts for over here?
Primary cover. I don't know what. Oh, that's my foot peg.
It's a snap ring. That snap ring looks like it's been
You've
used.
seen its better days on.
Did you take that out yourself?
Yep.
That's professionally. That's a very good job.
Do I need to break this nut
I
loose?
think we need to break this snap ring in a little bit cleaner than this. This might have to have some repair work done on the snap ring. What? What's wrong with
Do I
this?
need to break this nut loose?
Why? It was
Before I
adjusted when you
together?
put it was adjusted once, wasn't it?
Right.
Should be
I
perfect.
didn't touch it.
Should be perfect then. Now, where'd these go? Did they hang off your ears?
I don't really care for those things that much.
What happened over here?
You know what happened on that?
Did you put a new one in there?
A brittle piece of plastic.
Did you put a new one in there?
I got half of it still on there.
Why don't you put a new one in there?
I didn't have one at the time.
I have them. Here's this.
It's holding pretty good.
Where's the nuts for this? For bolts?
I said ones with the washers on, the 4 long ones.
These little button heads?
These.
Oh, these ones that go through?
Yep.
Definitely Loctite those because they break. Come loose all the time. They'll break. They come loose all the
Blue?
time. They come loose all the time, yeah. Blue. Bit bigger.
I gotta get that.
Ooh, blue shit.
It's blue too.
We can get a regulator on the black
Don't
too.
hardly get off your hands.
Nope. Stains the piss out of everything. Okay, we need a diaphragm.
I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. So what else you missing? You got the all that?
That bolt for the starter, for the ground cable right here. You know right where it is though. Right next to the
Oh, you're
spring.
missing a bolt?
Yeah, the ground cable.
Cable's over there.
Yeah.
All right, go get it. We'll be back.
I'll roll with A.
What do you got?
A, C, and B.
It's low,
That's
medium.
no, it's the other way around. That puts
Why?
the most pressure on it. Was that one right there?
Why push in further? Which one? What's it hit against? Oh, it's up against the post.
Yeah,
And
just,
standoffs. Okay.
and this thing.
Yeah, so it's backwards. The one that sticks up the most is the one that has the least pressure. You gotta make sure you don't over center also. So.
I'm gonna go with A and just a medium tension. That's what it was.
Okay, so you got some
before.
blue Loctite on the bolts.
And that one I do so far.
Is that the standard spring or the heavy one?
There's a Barnett one. I don't know. I think it came with the clutch kit.
Probably heavier. What did my Loctite?
It seemed kind of runny when I did the first one.
Quit putting so much on there.
That's too much.
I'm drinking the damn
Jeez, I
stuff.
thought it was going easy on it.
I'm drinking the piss. I'm supposed to be drinking my Loctite.
One, two, three, four. Here. Somewhere.
That ain't it. Should be there.
Every fourth one.
That'd be third.
Come on, Loctite.
I'm supposed to put it on the tip, not all the way up the damn shaft.
There you
Yeah, on the tip. Tip goes in the hole. The shaft doesn't necessarily go in the hole.
I'm looking where the old stuff was way up there.
Well, why do you think it's still on the bolt way up there? It didn't do anything. Damn, got a big drip falling off that thing. It's so
Going
bad.
over there,
Yeah,
right
you
there.
wasted it right
Wasted
there.
right there. See how I am?
Jeez,
All your expensive stuff.
it is expensive.
I know it is.
You didn't clear the bottle out either when you flipped it. You have to squeeze it to clear it out. There you go. Otherwise it fills up full of Loctite and plugs up the hole.
There that goes. Okay, now 7/16.
Oh, look at all that Loctite he wasted. Oh, he's shot.
Under normal conditions, I would be shot. Where'd my little ratchet go?
Your ratchet's probably at home. My ratchet's over in the ratchet kit where it
That little
belongs.
shorty one?
Yeah, it belongs in the ratchet kit. Where's the ratchet kit at?
I don't know. Oh, right there?
What does it look like it might be?
This one? Quarter-inch
I
drive?
mean, right there where the ratchet kit is.
Is that a long 7/16?
Second run from the end is long as that one. That's a 10 millimeter. You go right to that metric crap, don't you? Damn communist.
Stuff,
Damn communist.
They say it goes like a half to one turn.
Did you hear that pop?
That was where his plates worn.
That wasn't good.
Nobody seems to think it's excessive wear on the plate.
That
I
means
thought it was.
That means you excessively didn't put it in a square. That's why it popped.
Just going over one of these little mushroom
That's
headed
because you
things.
didn't center it before you tightened it down. You just forced it in, heavenized it.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Now this is all supposed to be done under torque specifications
Okay.
to a certain type. You
Good.
gotta get it flat first.
Good. Torque it correctly. Where's my zip gun? I'll torque that sucker. Half-inch zip gun or 3/8? You want 200 foot-pounds of torque or you want 700? Which one you want?
I'll have to look on the manual and see how to do it.
Manual. Yeah, get you a manual. Well, my gun goes to 700. It might with 180 pounds of air behind it, but it's supposed to be probably a 650-pound gun.
Tighten it down like we did that.
Back in the 90s, that was good,
Compensation
but now that's not much.
650s now?
Nah, back in the 90s, that was really good. Actually, I probably bought that gun back before that, probably in the 80s. Bought it a long time ago.
Looks getting flat to you?
I'm just getting it paid off on the payments.
I'm buying a new one.
Had extended payments.
Just flying late tonight, huh?
Yeah, they fly until midnight usually. It's supposed to be 11 o'clock curfew, but they don't care.
I thought it was 10 or something.
No, it used to be 11, but they were coming in last week at 1 a.m. or like 6 in a row came through.
Really?
Yeah, it takes about every 5 minutes as a plane goes through here.
It gets busy during this.
You look out there in the sky, you can tonight you can see them lined up 3 to 5 deep, depending on how clear those. And
Seen that before too.
they go all the way out to, I think they go almost out to Cumberland and come back. They go way out there.
Make them circle around or what?
Yeah,
They
they
can't
fly
land.
up Mission Valley and then they make a big circle way out there.
That's fairly flat to me.
They're out there to the mountains out there.
Who placed all that Loctite on there?
Yeah, I think they go all the way out to almost Pine Valley, the mountain, out to the mountains out there,
Surprised, yeah.
and come back around.
Um,
What?
torque wrench?
Yeah, it's in your hand. It's in your hand. Torque it. What torque do you
They're
want?
bottomed out.
What kind of torque do you want?
That one right there.
What is the official torque on that?
I thought it said 35 pounds or something like that.
You ain't gonna get 35 of that piece of crap, die-casted crap.
But what we need to check now is the straightness of
There's
that.
a quarter-inch torque wrench back in there somewhere.
Okay, I got that next. Where's the little straight edge ruler go?
Quarter-inch torque wrench in there somewhere if you
Let's
find
see
it. That's not a quarter-inch,
It's
that's a
3/8.
3/8. Quarter-inch is usually smaller than 3/8.
I thought I had the only small quarter-inch drive torque wrench.
There you go, this one right there. It's preset too, unless somebody screwed with it.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You already looked this up?
No, it's preset for Harley quarter-inch bolts. There ain't no 30 foot-pounds. You can get 30 foot-pounds out of that stupid thing.
That's getting pretty tight.
I know, it's preset.
Can I read what it says?
It's in inch-pounds.
19? 190 right now.
190 inch-pounds.
That's 10 foot-pounds would be 120. What's another 9?
You
70?
divide by 12, it's called a foot-pound, not 10 pounds. 10 would be metric.
That seems awfully tight to me.
Don't
Hear the
break
elbow
it.
clip?
Don't break it. That's what quarter-inch Harley bolts torque to.
Even in the aluminum clutch hub?
You're the one that said you wanted to put down 30-something foot-pounds on that thing. I told you you're nuts. That one ain't set for 30 foot-pounds. That's set for a lot less than that.
That's a lot less than 30? You want to put your trusted arm on it?
Well, what's 190 divided by 12?
I couldn't get it to click.
What's 190 divided by 12?
The phone's in the car.
Good place for it. What's 190 divided by 10?
19.
Well, if you divide by 2 more, what more do you get? You think you might be less than 19 now? It's probably set for 15 or 16 foot-pounds.
I don't want to break it.
Well, don't break it.
You want to check it?
What? I'm not checking
Just
it.
your elbow?
Well, I don't care.
See,
That's,
where's your little,
that's a snap-on tool. It's always perfect.
Where's that little ruler you have with the straight edge ruler? Those little aluminum ones, you know?
Aluminum straight-edge ruler. We don't have any
They're
aluminum.
steel. They're stainless steel, actually.
Stainless steel. Get out of my tool. What are you doing over there? Where's the measuring device that around this place?
Not a tape measure, but like where you used to keep your... Oh, that thing. Yeah, that's not what I need, though. It's just a little ruler you have with the... Right in front of there? This? Aha. There it is.
Where's the measuring devices
That's the
are
one-
at?
That's the one I'm looking for.
You don't think they're together, do you? Now what are you checking?
Flatness.
Flatness. Is it flat?
Pretty close.
Okay. So if you go over center, will it stay that way?
That one's not.
Oh, well. Must be a defective scale.
We'll leave it anyway.
Okay. As long as it's torqued correctly.
What is?
As long as it's torqued correctly.
Yeah. You know what I need?
Yes.
Before we get too much further along from the parts department,
You need a snap ring.
plier. A nice snapping plier would be nice to have.
I don't have any snap ring pliers because they got lost in the move.
You have none?
You might have to adjust this because it's too far out.
I didn't move it at all. When
See how the snap ring is going to be kind of hard to go in there?
if I pull the clutch in a little bit.
I would recommend that you break that thing free. Somebody stole my
How
snap
about,
ring.
how about a new one of these?
Where's my snapper ring at? Why, what's wrong with that one? It's custom. There's a hammer around here. Customize it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Sure it'll work?
sure. You can put in a vise and bend it, your choice. You want to beat on it or you want to bend it?
Not quite there yet.
That's not how you do it. That right here. Tighten. That is some superior material there.
Real sprung steel, isn't it?
That is some really good stuff. Where'd you get that from? Cracker Jack box?
It was in there already.
It was in the Cracker Jack box?
But you don't have no snap ring pliers?
That one's still bent all the hell.
I need an oil pressure sending unit. Do you have one?
Maybe. You don't like the snap ring? You want a good one? Tighten it up.
Well. Try it.
Let it go.
Just springs right back to where it was.
Tighten it up. Can you snap? Yeah, so they took the S
Better
out.
now. Yeah.
That's because they took the S out.
Okay.
Still got a little bit in there though. Tighten it up. You have to put it in first. Tighten it. Like that one? How's it look now? Put it on the table.
Be good for the
My
camera.
straight edge. How flat is it?
Be good. Actually.
It's like checking rings, you'll like that. If it doesn't spring up like that, it's good. See, that's in the air a little bit, so it's bad in that corner. It's still a little wanky over
Here
here.
might be a little worn right there too.
Yeah, it's the table's fault. It's not the snap ring's fault.
We don't have no pliers for it though. Damn it.
That's custom.
Can I break that nut loose? Before we get too far along?
You need to break your nut loose.
I'm fighting it.
Squeeze that in there real tight and put it in there. Where's your wrench?
5/8,
Nope.
9/16.
Nope.
Metric.
17? Nope. 18? Nope.
17, 18.
Nope.
Got 3/4.
Nope.
Not 5/8.
Nope.
It is metric.
Nope.
5/8, 9/16, half inch, 11/16, 12, no, 2, 7/8, 2. What's 2 mean?
Nothing.
Oh, 11 millimeter?
No.
11/16. I said that already.
No, you didn't. There you go. You got the right one. You got that one right there. There you go.
You don't need an Allen wrench?
Nope.
No?
Loosen that up. Does that fit?
Yeah?
Good. Give it a whack.
You don't have those little things to stop it from turning?
Just push on the damn thing.
Take your leg off.
Oh, you're dangerous. Good thing I have my safety catch bag.
It broke it loose though.
I know it broke it loose. Okay. You gonna screw the nut now for the thing? You bent that though. Where's the hammer?
What I been?
Where's the hammer at? Jammed in there sideways, that's why. Okay, you should be able to get the snap ring in there now, barely.
Oh, you do have them.
I have small ones, I don't have big ones. The only ones I have are right here.
These are way better than the ones I had.
All my other snap rings that were in a drawer on the workbench behind my toolbox is gone. You tell me where those are at and I'll go get them.
Oh, no,
The correct way is to tighten them up and stick in the hole. Yeah, like that. Is it in there? Been in there all the
Appears
way?
to be in, yes.
Are you sure? Is it in there all the way?
Yep,
You sure? Positive?
I'm not sure where those went.
I'll go right there with the snap rings go. You happy with that?
Well, just making sure it's all the way in.
Seems to be about right. Now you get to tighten the screw back up. Pull that handle over a little bit. There you go.
Now we're going to need the Allen wrench
Why?
to get it adjusted correctly.
Do I adjust it correctly? Got a wrench right here.
See, I got some slop right there.
Did you bring your Allen wrenches with you?
Did you put them away already? Somebody come and borrow them?
Put it right where you left them. Right where you left them. Nope.
This one?
Maybe. Nope. Wrong one.
What was that?
That's right. How much play you got up there?
And a 1/4 inch. Pretty good right there.
Perfect. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
You got a 1/4 inch in free play up there? Got a 1/4 inch in there?
So it's kind of mushy, this cable is, you know?
Can't tell? Can't tell what you got?
Sorry.
What are you breaking my camera for?
See that?
What? What, right here?
About a 1/4
Got
on.
a lot of free play in there?
I mean, 1/8 of me.
That's got a long free play? Okay.
That's good.
I don't know, do you think it's adjusted good now?
I'd roll that.
You would? Okay.
Maybe a little bit tighter. Maybe get about half a turn.
How's the clutch working right now?
I don't know yet.
Why don't you let go of that?
It should be working.
How's the clutch working right now?
Well, we ain't going to turn it.
Where's my wrench? How do you think the clutch is working right now?